by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 218, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Estill, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Johnson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, McGoffin, Martin, Morgan, Housley, Perry, Pike, and Wolf, and the following counties in Virginia: Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise, and the following counties in West Virginia: Mingo and Wayne. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 218 has been issued from 2:55 p.m. until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Bell, Breathitt, Clay, Estill, Floyd, Harlan, Jackson, Johnson, Knott, Knox, Lawrence, Lee, Leslie, Letcher, McGoffin, Martin, Morgan, Housley, Perry, Pike, and Wolf, and the following counties in Virginia: Buchanan, Dickinson, Lee, and Wise, and the following counties in West Virginia: Mingo and Wayne. Here is a special weather statement for the following counties.